Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a geological adventure to explore the captivating world of plate tectonics. Join us as we uncover the dynamic forces that shape the very ground beneath our feet. Our planet's outer shell, known as the lithosphere, is divided into tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere below. These plates are in constant motion, drifting at a pace comparable to the growth of your fingernails. It's a slow dance that has been ongoing for millions of years. The movement of these colossal puzzle pieces has shaped the continents, giving rise to mountains, oceans, and deep-sea trenches. But the action doesn't stop there. Along the edges of these plates, powerful interactions occur. At divergent boundaries, like those in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, new crust is born through seafloor spreading. At convergent boundaries, such as the collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, mountain ranges form and earthquakes shake the earth. And at transform boundaries, like the infamous San Andreas fault, stress builds up over time, causing sudden jolts. This dance of plates not only shapes the continents but also influences the locations of volcanoes and earthquakes. The theory of plate tectonics, once a revolutionary idea, was pieced together through a combination of seafloor mapping, geological studies, and advancements in our understanding of Earth's interior. As we conclude this whirlwind exploration of plate tectonics, we marvel at the intricate choreography that has sculpted our world over eons. Like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our dynamic planet, 1 minute at a time.